again, and we are back to the weekend, and let's have something special, spicy, and of course as easy as much possible. So let's get started with something new. We are going to make Chipotle style chicken rice bowl. Alright, so let's get started with the chicken marination. And of course, if you are not eating chicken, you know what to use is paneer, right? So you can replace chicken with paneer. Boneless chicken, I took 2 chicken breasts, nicely washed, almost 3 times washed, and then cut it medium sized pieces. And our spicy mix. So here is the tandoori chicken powder. Then this is a garam masala powder. This is kasuri methi. Then red chili powder, black pepper powder, lemon juice, salt, and ginger garlic paste. Of course, we need oil. Let's start with adding the ingredients. Of course, salt goes first. Around 2 teaspoons, I would say. Then it goes red chili powder. As per your taste, I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon. Black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Tandoori chicken powder, around 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Kasuri methi. Again, if this is optional, if you don't have, it's fine. Ginger garlic paste. And I did, when I was making the paste, I added the coriander in it, so that's why that green color. Lemon juice, 2 teaspoons. And let's get this nicely marinated. How it looks. We are going to put this aside for around half an hour, and we will move on to the next step. I'm just gonna get some oil ready and get the chicken in there. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Look at the color, brown and nice and sizzling. For the bean mixture, I'm going to make 5 or 6 garlic cloves and green chilies slightly roasted on the skillet. So soaked some green chilies. For Mexican dishes, we normally have adobo chilies. So here is just the dry green chilies. I'm going to take black beans. This is the one I took this time, but you can have soaked black beans and then cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes, just a couple whistles if you have pressure cooker. And then the roasted garlic and green chili, and then red chili with water, some water and salt. I'm going to make a paste of all these 3 ingredients and cook it with some oil. I'm going to make a paste of the roasted garlic, green chili, and some red chilies with some water. This is the paste of chili garlic. As you can see, it's not completely like a paste, but you can have a nice consistency of something like this. So let's get our beans ready. So get some oil, again 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, we can add all of our beans. Add the chili garlic paste as per your taste, and some salt to taste. mix it well. Cilantro if you like. And this one is ready as well. You can add some water. And simmer it for around 1 minute. And after 1 minute, as you can see, look at this. Ooh, beautiful. So our beans are ready again. I'm going to dish out and we will move on to our final round of the recipe. Here's the recipe for coriander lemon rice. I cooked 1 cup of rice with 1 bay leaf in it. Then we are going to get half a cup of chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and almost half lemon juice. For rice, get this rice in. Add some butter. Lemon juice around 2 tablespoons because it's a lemon rice, and cilantro, and rice is done, guys. Mix, mix, mix. Yeah, just cook it, just stir it for 2 minutes. That's it. Color can be just white or semi-brown. That's it. Rice is done. Vegetables, we are going to get thinly sliced bell peppers. That's half a cup. Then thinly sliced onion. I took white onion. Then black pepper, 1 tablespoon, and salt as per taste. Let's get started with some veggies. Going to put around 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Get this onion in. Look at the sizzle. Fantastic. Get some bell pepper, half a cup. Now we are going to make sure that this is a little caramelized. We have to get this brownish tilt. As you can see, it's turning brown already. Starts to have that roasty flavor. Salt to taste. And black peppers. And that's it. This part is already done. Corns, I have taken 1 cup of corns. I have frozen ones, black pepper and salt as per taste, some butter and lemon juice. Now we're gonna get our corns ready. Very easy. Again, we need that little crunch in it, so I'm not gonna cook it for a long time. Then get this corn, add some butter, the buttery taste, salt and some black pepper, lemon juice, and that's it. And I'm going to garnish it with some coriander.
I asked my mom if I could make an appearance in this video, and she said yes. So today I will be teaching you how to make salsa. Let's get started. So what we would need is I've diced 1 tomato and 1/4 of an onion, and we roasted this chili for the beans as well, so we just took a roasted chili. You will need about 1/4 of a cup of coriander, and you will need a pinch of salt or salt to taste. And what we do, I guess mix all the ingredients together. So now that we've added everything, let's just put in some salt. And now it just mixes together. And boom, here is our salsa.
So guys, here is our Chipotle chicken bowl is ready, and we are going to plate it out. So let's do it. Going to get some rice as a base. Let's create this base. Add some black beans, just like how we eat it in the Chipotle. Get some corns. Look at the colors. Veggies, if you do not prefer, it's okay. I love it. There you go. Of course, any type of protein. I have taken chicken. You can have anything. If you're not eating non-veg, then you can have paneer or tofu as an option. Get your salsa in there. Yeah, and as you guys know that Sid made it, so credit goes to him for that. And of course, I'm going to have some. Look at that cheese on it. Cream. I love sour cream on it. It just enhances the taste of everything. So this is dollop of sour cream on top of it, and voila, you got this chicken bowl ready. One more thing, that we can have a burrito out of it. So exactly the same ingredient, I just warmed up the burrito on a skillet, and I put everything what was there in the rice bowl. So I am going to just get this together, just push it a little, and then close these openings from both the sides. It's a little tricky, but you will get it. Try to close both the openings, and then roll, roll, roll. Just one roll is enough. And here you go, voila. This is a burrito, as you can see. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting Foodland again, and enjoy.